Big changes. Here's the laundry room. We got the dryer out and we got the washing machine out here so we can still kind of use it. But this is going to be completely cleaned out. And this is the last area actually because there's a big fridge here. We're just letting it settle, letting the dust kind of settle before I actually sweep this up later. Yeah, no, there's a lot. And here we go into the garage. As you can see, we put the dryer here just to chill for a bit. We can't actually use it. It's just there. There's where I put that silver fridge, and luckily we can plug it in right there. We didn't have to empty it. That saved me a lot of time. And the walls are open. Look at that. See, we wanted to open these up because we theorized that the mice had a nest, and they did. And as you can see, there's water damage that needs to be taken care of. The electrical's pretty old, so they're going to update that in the garage. But yeah, the mice were just like right in there, and they had a big nest. It's nice and bright in here now. The window actually shows some light because there's not a bunch of junk. And there's lots of space, like way more space than we thought now that everything's kind of pulled out. Some of the electrical's in there, so they had to pull all that out. That's going to be the bulk of the job, really fixing the electrical in here and getting everything sealed up properly. But as you can see, it's a whole new space. See, if I come into this corner, maybe you can see kind of all of it at once. Let's do a little pan here. Yeah, look at that. All right, off to the garbage pile. As you can see in the hallway, they lifted up all the baseboard. They took out all the doors because those are getting changed. More baseboard. We got a couch, TV stand, fridge, stove, just kind of out in the middle. Here's the internet and Wi-Fi. Look at this mess under the fridge. Jesus. Can go to the kitchen. That's where the stove was. Here's where they're going to be putting in a little dishwasher for my grandparents right there. It's going to be a deeper, bigger sink. They had to rip all that out just to make room for the dishwasher and stuff, but I think it'll be good. Pretty much, yeah, new floor, new paint, and new dishwasher. That's all we're doing down here. Very basic. Come out here. And there's the garbage pile. Not too big because they actually took a lot of it like the workers did, but mainly more wood and kitchen stuff and whatever they tore out of the wall.